Is the front of it?
We back, man. Just the front of it now. Check that out. Check that out. Uh-huh.
Oh, let me get the mic set. Why did you even get
The bump. That's the old bumper right here. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking the vents out of this and I'm putting them in the new one. So, you're finna watch me put these vents in. You're finna watch me put these vents in the new one. We doing this all by lonely. You know what I'm saying? We doing this all by lonely, man. Doing it. So this is what we doing. We putting these together. Making sure them dents is in there real good. Like this one. I'm gonna have to get this one back out because this one ain't in all the way. So then, same concept. You see, I got them set up the same way, just to make sure I'm putting these vents in the right way. So, go ahead and do this instead. Cars right now like construction.
See, they got to work right.
There we go.
When I say we got to work, we really got to work.
You got it. Work on the lip. I got it. Let's put it right together. Yeah, that right there is good. Right on there. Then I'm gonna drill it in. I'm gonna drill it back in. Alright. Got the screws. Got the drill.
Is it pointing to you now?
Yeah, it's good. Yep, that's good right there.
See, when that thing charges up, you can just point that and it turns. That's what's cool about that.
There we
Make
go.
sure you don't get it too tight.
Yeah, I don't let it crack or nothing, you know. Yeah, it's that DeWalt. That thing get the job done quick.
Yeah, that's an impact. That's an impact thing. So you just barely touch on it.
Coming up the trap with my all
Get it started.
Yeah.
Going up the phantom, it is all
That's what I'm talking about, guys. Patience.
Diamonds on my wrist, setting just right. How you get rich if you don't try? Niggas said broke, nigga don't lie.
How you guys think this is gonna come out?
How you think it's gonna come out, man?
Nigga think I'm broke, got the wrong guy. Coming up with Gucci looking too fly. What your girl saying, bye bye.
purpose, man.
Man, you can't, in order for you to do it and achieve it, you gotta try.
You gotta try it.
Do 100 in the paint, man. It's
100 on the way.
VVS on my neck got me so gone. They call me president cause I keep my cash rolling. Waste all the money like I'm too strong.
Coming together. Real good.
Catch me in space like Armstrong.
Don't be mad at me, man, for doing this, man.
No, we got the no hate law.
It's a no hate law over here, man.
Haters.
All positive energy. I want all positive vibes. I want y'all doing this. I want y'all bigger. Motivate me.
Part of the family.
I want y'all doing it the same. I want y'all doing it better, bigger. I want everybody around me successful. But this right here is a hobby. Yeah. This is what I like to do. Now let's check this out real quick. I ain't even seen it yet. So we both seen this at the same time. Ooh!
That's gonna be nice. Should we change it, guys? Should we change it?
Should we change it?
Or should we keep it like that?
Or should we just leave it like this? Matter of fact, let's put it up to the whip real quick. Let's put it up to the whip real quick.
And the Fierce, come on.
Fierce, get out the way.
Put that on, Fierce.
Fierce ain't doing nothing.
that.
Let's check it out. You get it,
Okay. Alright,
yeah, there.
yeah. Oh yeah. Let me hold it a little bit like serious.
Alright, let's see what it looks like. What you guys think? Huh? Ooh. I think that looks pretty nice though.
Yeah. See what I said? You gotta take that. We'll take that thing off of there and put it on here. Off of the other.
Oh, okay, yeah. Get the We're gonna put that emblem on there.
Yeah.
But that came out on point.
And then where does the plate go? We gotta take the plate thing off of
Yep,
that.
the plate will probably have to. They'll probably have it to where we'll have to drill one in.
Yeah.
Yep. But yeah, that's nice. That came out right. That's right. We finna put this on together.